All right, so let's take a look at this problem here. So this is another one where the directions are to really factor by grouping specifically. So you'll see we have 4 terms here. So I'm going to I usually just draw a box, with 4 blanks, something like this. Kind of like we did, actually just like we did when we multiplied. And then I fill in the blanks on my box. So I'm going to put 2x to the third, 6x to the second, 5x, and 15. I just put them exactly in order, just kind of as I see them, boom. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work across each row and factor out the greatest common factor of each row. So let's see here. I have 2x to the third and 6x squared. Well, the greatest common factor of 2 and 6 is 2. The greatest common factor of x to the third and x squared is x squared. So I'm going to factor out a 2x squared. Now I'm going to divide. Let's see, 2 divided by 2 is those cancel. X to the third, take away x squared, or divided by x squared, leaves me with just an x up here. And then let's see, 6 divided by 2 is 3. And x squared divided by x squared is 1, so those are canceled out. Now I go to the bottom. Let's see, the greatest common factor of 5x and 15 is just going to be 5. Let's see, double check, 5x divided by 5 is x, that's good. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so we're good there. So my final answer, writing this polynomial in factored form, is 2x squared plus 5 times x plus 3. So the second one here looks like this. All right, we got some minus signs. That may change things up a bit. Let's see. So let's go ahead. Always my first step. I'm just going to go ahead and draw my box. All right, so let's see and fill it in. We have 3n to the third, negative or minus 4n to the second, 9n, and then negative 12 or minus 12 down here. So let's see up top, factoring out from here. Well, 3 and negative 4, those are relatively prime. There are no common factors there, except 1. So I'm just going to see, let's see, n to the third and n squared. So I can factor out an n squared there, and that's it. If I divide out n squared, that leaves me with 3n. And over here, that leaves me with negative 4. So now I go down to the bottom row. Let's see. Greatest common factor of 9n and negative 12 is going to be 3. So I'm going to factor out a 3. All right, let's see. 9 divided by 3, that gives me 9n divided by 3. That leaves me with 3n. 9n divided by 3, 3n, we're good. And negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So my final answer here is n to the third power, or n to the second power, plus 3 times 3n minus 4. So that is the factored form of our polynomial.